Now, Bruce, just look right into the camera lens right here and tell us your name, your age, and where you were born.
My last name is Lee, Bruce Lee. I was born in San Francisco in 1940. I'm 24 right now.
And you worked in motion pictures in Hong Kong?
Yes, since I was around 6 years old.
And when did you leave Hong Kong?
1959, when I was 18.
I see. Oh, show us some Kung Fu movements.
Various kind of strike. It depends on where you hit, then what weapon you will be using. To the eyes, you would use fingers. Don't worry. To the eyes. Or straight at the face, from the waist, everything on.
Hold it just a minute. Let's move this gentleman around this way so you're doing it more into the camera. Okay, swell.
And then there is band arm strike, using the waist again into a back fist.
And let's have this.
The Chinese, they always hit low. From high, go back to the groin. Don't worry.
Now turn around the other way with you, Bruce.
Okay.
Yeah, again.
All right.
Go ahead.
There is the finger jab. There is the punch. There is the back fist and then low. Of course, then they use leg straight at the groin or come up. Or, if I can back up a little bit, they start back from here and then come back.
All right.
It's kind of wordy. Tremendous. This is a crane form. Start off. This is some of the movement involved.
Movement number 4. Dragon seeks path. Dragon whips his tail.